Niagara Portable Toilets stands as your reliable partner for all your portable toilet rentals in Niagara Falls, Ontario. We are here to answer when nature calls, and you need convenient and sanitary solutions. We understand the importance of clean, efficient, and accessible portable toilets. Our units are designed to meet the highest standards of hygiene and comfort. Whether you're hosting an event, managing a construction site, or organizing an outdoor festival, Niagara Portable Toilets has the perfect solution to meet your requirements. We believe in providing more than just facilities, we provide peace of mind. Our dedicated team ensures prompt delivery and meticulous setup. Niagara Portable Toilets takes pride in offering not just portable toilets but a service that aligns with the beauty and grandeur of Niagara Falls. We're here to ensure your events and projects are equipped with the best facilities. Renting a portable toilet is just a click away. Visit our website at www.niagaraportabletoilets.ca to explore our options and book the facilities you need. Ready to elevate your portable toilet experience? Contact Niagara Portable Toilets today at 289-273-9333 to ensure your events and projects are equipped with top-notch portable sanitation. Thank you for choosing Niagara Portable Toilets as your trusted partner in portable sanitation. Niagara Portable Toilets, where cleanliness meets convenience in the heart of Niagara Falls.